Do you know how important it is to protect your assets from lawsuits? Asset protection is a key strategy to safeguard your wealth from potential legal challenges. Without a solid plan, you could end up like John Doe, a successful business owner who lost everything due to a lack of precautions. Imagine the pain of seeing years of hard work vanish overnight. So how do you avoid such a fate? Let's find out. Our first actionable tip is to separate your personal and business assets. This is a crucial step in asset protection, and here's why. Your business, no matter how small or large, is an entity that can be subject to lawsuits and financial obligations. If your personal and business assets are intertwined, you leave your personal assets vulnerable in the event of a business lawsuit. Imagine your business gets sued and you lose. If your assets aren't separated, your personal assets, like your home or personal savings, can be seized to fulfill the business debt. On the other hand, if you've separated your assets, your personal belongings remain untouched, secure from the business's financial woes. So how can you separate your assets? Start by opening separate bank accounts for personal and business transactions. Get separate credit cards. Keep your records distinct and clear. It might seem like a tedious process, but it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Remember, mixing business and personal assets can be a risky business. Next, ensure that you have adequate insurance. It's like having a sturdy umbrella for a rainy day. The right insurance policy can provide a valuable layer of protection for both your personal and business assets. It's not just about safeguarding against physical loss, but also about protecting yourself from potential legal complications. Consider the different types of insurance that might be relevant. Liability insurance, for instance, can protect you if someone gets hurt on your property or due to your business operations. Property insurance, on the other hand, can cover the cost of repairs or replacements in case of damage or theft. For business owners, there's also professional indemnity insurance, which can cover legal costs and damages if you're sued for professional negligence. And let's not forget about life insurance, a crucial safety net for your loved one's financial future. Insurance might seem like an unnecessary expense until you need it, so ensure you're adequately covered. It's about peace of mind, not just policy papers. Our third tip is to establish a trust. A trust, dear listeners, is akin to a safety deposit box for your assets. It's a legal mechanism that allows you to place your assets under the care of a trustee for the benefit of a third party, known as a beneficiary. By doing so, you're essentially putting a protective shell around your assets, shielding them from creditors, lawsuits, and even potential tax burdens. Let's delve a bit deeper. Establishing a trust can provide a double-edged sword of benefits. First, it protects your assets from unforeseen circumstances such as lawsuits or creditor claims. This means even if you're facing financial adversity, your assets within the trust remain untouchable. Secondly, a trust can also offer potential tax benefits, reducing the amount you might owe to the taxman. Remember, friends, asset protection is about more than just safeguarding your wealth. It's about ensuring the future stability of your business and personal life. A trust is a powerful tool in your asset protection arsenal. The fourth tip is to use legal entities to your advantage. Picture this. You've set up a corporation or a limited liability company, an LLC. These are not just fancy titles, but protective walls between your personal assets and business creditors. In the world of business, they are your knights in shining armor, shielding your personal wealth from any potential business debts or liabilities. But remember, maintaining this protection isn't a one-off task. It's an ongoing responsibility. You must ensure your corporation or LLC maintains its legal status, with all paperwork up to date and corporate formalities observed. Neglecting these could pierce your protective shield. A legal entity is your shield against personal liability. Finally, make sure to regularly review and update your asset protection plan. Just as your business evolves, so too should your strategies for safeguarding your assets. Changes in assets, operations, and even laws can all demand adjustments to your plan. Don't let complacency be your downfall. Regular review ensures your plan remains relevant, robust, and ready to weather any storm. It's a continuous journey, not a one-time task. Remember, an outdated plan can be as risky as having no plan at all. To wrap up, protecting your assets from lawsuits requires careful planning and proactive measures. Remember to segregate personal and business assets, ensure adequate insurance, establish a trust, utilize legal entities, and regularly review your plan. So don't wait until it's too late. Start protecting your assets today.